All right, everybody, today we have an amazing video in store for you guys. We have Debbie Lindenbach. She's 24 years raw vegan, and she's bringing us one of her signature recipes. What is it?
It is raw vegan meatballs.
Instead of meatballs.
With carrot almond sauce.
Wow, so raw vegan meatballs,
Yes.
really?
And then we put them on nice romaine boats, and they are delicious.
I've heard they're amazing, so let's get into it.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is do a half a cup of walnuts.
Okay.
So the meatballs are a half a cup of walnuts,
Okay.
a half of chopped tomatoes that are seeded already, so we already measured this out. We're just gonna throw this in here.
Okay, you took the seeds out.
Okay, we took the seeds out already. 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes. I like to soak the tomatoes. I get these tomatoes with no salt. So they're sun-dried, organic, with no salt.
And then you soak them in water for a couple hours?
Yes, I could cut them, but it's just much easier for me to do this. And you kind of want to have this with in small pieces because they don't usually blend too well with.
Okay. And you soak them for 2 hours in water?
I usually soak them for like about an hour.
Okay.
And these I did not soak for that long.
This is a good idea, raw vegan meatballs. You make, Deb, I gotta say, some of the best raw vegan food I've ever had, because we just did what Deb eats in a day, and I'll put that down below. I'll put it on the screen at the end of this video as well for you guys, but wow. From the ice cream to the cheesecake to the green juice. Oh, so good.
Okay, and now I do a half a cup of ground flaxseed. I bought these bags to keep in the freezer, and you can take the air out of them. So it's always nice and fresh after I grind them up. So it's a half a cup.
Okay. Good omega-3s.
That's right. And then I do a half a cup of the carrots, which are right here.
Okay. And what if somebody says, why raw food, Deb? Why not just make cooked meatballs?
Well, because that would clog my arteries, and and I don't want to have a heart attack. So we got a half a cup of shredded carrots.
Okay.
All right. We have a half a cup of peppers.
Peppers.
And then we have the garlic.
I can smell these flavors already.
Garlic clove.
One garlic clove.
Sorry.
Okay. No, it's okay.
I read it. I said, do I have everything? And I said yes, and I don't.
You put the walnuts already, right? Yeah. You put lemon juice in this?
No, that's in the sauce.
Oh, I see.
And then I put in 1 clove of minced garlic. So let's just do that just in case it doesn't.
Okay, yeah.
You know, sometimes it doesn't blend, and you have this giant chunk of garlic in your meatball.
So people like this recipe when you give it to them?
Yes, this is also something that I do bring to parties and that they love. Let me just make sure I have everything in it. So we got the walnuts, the seeded tomatoes, the sun-dried tomatoes, flaxseed, carrots, peppers, 1 date. Oh.
We didn't put the date, I don't
we
think.
did not put the date.
Oh, let me get it for
And
you.
crushed a little bit of crushed red pepper. I don't like spicy, so I do very little of that. But if you like spicy, add all you want. And 1 date. Alrighty, so take this out, put this here. All right, so that's the whole recipe for the for the meatballs.
For the meatballs, and then there's a
Smell
sauce
this.
too, right? Oh wow!
Right?
It smells so good.
So good. The sun-dried tomatoes really make this dish.
Yeah.
So then I just take a scoop like this. I usually make it into a ball. Let's make it into a meatball.
Yeah.
So it looks nice. Okay.
Wow.
All right, and we just put these on the tray. So you don't have to watch me make them. So for the sauce, I do 3 tablespoons of almond butter. Oh, this is a nice one. Sometimes they're really thick and they don't blend as well, you know? Okay.
What kind is this? Raw almond butter, Trader Joe's.
2 tablespoons of coconut amino, which again, is not something I really eat. But today...
This is a nice treat though, because Deb is low fat, if you guys didn't see the other video. But this is a nice treat.
Okay, so 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. And that was backwards, sorry. And Oh, that was a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and then an eighth of a teaspoon of ginger.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. All right. And then we do 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, but we just do that because I know. And we're going to mix that together.
Wow, that's easy.
Easy, very easy.
Oh, this is actually a really easy recipe. I like that.
Yeah. And where do you see at the end?
I'm excited to see the finished
Because
result.
people think I spend so much time and they're like, oh my gosh. But all you have to do is after you make the meatballs, you dehydrate them.
Okay. Yeah, so after we make those meatballs, how long do we dehydrate them for?
I usually keep them in for about 4 hours, and then I see how they feel. I mean, you can eat them the way they are, so it doesn't matter. It just depends on how you like them.
What temperature
I do it
for 4
4 hours on 115.
Okay.
And I do it for 4 hours, and then I just put in some shredded carrots.
Okay, cool.
And 4 hours, and then sometimes I turn it around to just get the bottom part of it for another hour or so.
Okay.
Okay? But again, you can do, okay. And now this is what is going to go inside when I do the romaine. I'm going to put on a scoop of a scoop of this. Now it's better to leave this sit overnight, honestly, because the flavors kind of melt together and it makes the carrots soft.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's it. Voila. Now I'm going to show you the finished version.
Yeah. Okay, these are done. So tell us what you did, Deb. You did romaine.
Okay, so I did romaine. I put a layer of the carrot sauce with the almonds, and I put 3 meatballs on top.
And in case you guys don't know, we have Scott Bernhard here, vegan, fitness, mega ripped influencer, and we have the amazing Doug, Debbie's husband, lost 110 pounds through plants, right?
That's right.
True.
Living his best life now. So let's taste it. These look incredible. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow.
So good.
Who needs real meatballs? This is so good. And so healthy, right?
The spices, too.
Yeah, one of my favorites.
Oh, wow. You guys have to try this. And it's easy and it's simple. That's what I like. It's not complicated. Anybody can do this. I'm going to go home and make these.
Looks good. Tastes even better. Oh, my God.
We're eating good around here today. And if you guys missed it, Debbie and I did what she eats in a day. Oh, legendary. Everything, it's just delicious. So I'll put that on the screen right now. Go check that out, and I'll put everything down below if you guys want to go follow everybody. And come join my private community club. Raw, Scott, and Debbie are in there. Everybody's in there. Doug, it's an amazing community. I'll put that down below. And go get healthy, guys. We love you. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
These are so good.